Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's do a Louis Vuitton unboxing, or maybe three. I feel like I have been purchasing, I just haven't been sharing it on camera, or at least on YouTube. I have been posting a lot more on TikTok, so if you want to see more of my content, definitely find me on there. I am at Michelle Orgetta over there. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started because we have a few things to go over, and one of them I feel like is really exciting news. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay, let's start off with this one first. This one I actually purchased in Japan, and it's actually a rebuy of something that I've already had, but I had to upgrade my phone. So hint hint, though in Japan they did give me like a little microfiber cleaning cloth that says Louis Vuitton. I don't know if the camera can pick it up here, but they definitely didn't do this for me when I bought it in Hawaii that last time. They also included a little manual, which I can't find right now, but that's fine. The most important one is here. So here we have the iPhone bumper Pallas for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I am just so happy to have this case again. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I just threw away my old case because it was a clear case, but you know with those transparent cases, I feel like they get dirty so fast on the sides that I just hated that. And I really just loved this case before for at least my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I feel like it feels so good in the hand, and also because this is a dark color, it's black, I feel like it does a good job at hiding the dirt, so I don't have that problem with this phone case at least. Note that this does have exposed sides, but I feel like even with my last case, it still did a pretty good job at protecting my phone even when I dropped it. But yeah, this is the case. It also comes with a little pocket here on the back, which I find really useful for like hotel room keys, for like parking garage tickets, or when I need like one card in specific. I like to stick it right here because it's just really convenient. Again, it's for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so it just slides in easily, just like so. And this is what it looks like on. Again, it feels really good in the hand, and I like having a case like this just because I know which way like up is, because when I had like my transparent one, it was fully covered all around, and every time I took it out of my bag, sometimes my phone would be like upside down, but at least with this case, I know like which side is right side up, so whenever I like take it out of my bag, like I know which way is up, so it's not ever like upside down, if I'm making any sense. But yeah, this one currently retails for 520 USD. I bought this one back in March, April when I was in Japan at the Ginza store. And after the currency exchange and then also the VAT refund, I remember my credit card statement being like $420. So yeah, I did save a good $100 on this case. But I definitely feel like if you're interested in getting it, you can definitely girl math your way into it, just because I feel like you're going to use it every single day. It's such a good case, and it'll last you the entire lifetime of your phone unless you're really, really rough with it. But yeah, I just love having this case again. I feel like the mirror selfies, they're giving again. The pink case just was not doing it for me. Alright, this next one is pretty special. I tried to place an order online and even find it in stores, but it wasn't available. So for this one, I really had to contact my SA so that she could place an order for me, and then I can pick it up at the store, which I'm kind of glad that I had to do that. This one is actually something I ordered for a gender reveal because, surprise, I'm pregnant. I'm actually 23 weeks right now. But any guesses what I'm having? Well, it's a boy. I bought this baby birth set from Louis Vuitton. Right now I believe it retails for 675 USD. Louis Vuitton also just had a price increase, so I bought it before the price increase, which was nice because all that money went to tax. But this set is just so adorable. It comes with a little beanie. It also comes with some mittens, and then also a pair of socks. This is also 100% cashmere, and it's just so, so adorable. Let me go ahead and show you my gender reveal on Instagram really quick because I just love how it turned out. Alright, here is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine, 'cause I'm in the so cute. I just love how it turned out. But yeah, this is the baby birth set they offer at Louis Vuitton. Honestly, this is probably the most expensive like designer piece that I'm probably gonna buy for baby that they can wear, just because I don't really find it worth it to spend so much money on designer, especially for a baby, just because they're going to get it dirty and also they're just going to grow out of it so fast. But I just feel like this is so special, at least for my very first one. So yeah, I really love this and I'm so happy. Honestly, feeling really good so far, just very hungry, very tired, but I am taking advantage of this burst of energy that I'm having in the second trimester. But yeah, let's get back to the unboxing. Alright, so for this last one, I was actually in Vegas this past week for my birthday. I went May 25 to 27, and on the 26th, I believe, we were shopping just like all of the stores. I went to Crystals, I went to the Bellagio, I went to the Wynn, and it wasn't until like the very last store that we went to, I finally found the piece that I've been dying to have. This one I wasn't able to find like in any store except for this one, and I didn't really want to buy it online because I wanted to have like a special experience in store. But I did get this piece. It is from the Murakami Multicolor collection. This one is the pencil pouch, and I just absolutely adore this piece. A lot of the pieces I have are like in Monogram canvas, and this is my first like Murakami multicolor piece, at least in the white. And I already have a pen inside. It is such a cute little piece to have, and I just love the pop of pink inside. It also says Louis Vuitton here in the inside, and I feel like it's so good to have, especially for like pens and even for like makeup if I wanted to put like eyeliner in here, or not eyeliner, I meant like a lip pencil in here with a lipstick and like just drop it in my purse, so at least I know where like my lip products are. I also heard someone say on TikTok like sunglasses can fit in here, which I'm kind of curious. Let me see if I can find a pair of sunglasses really quick. Okay, I think these ones are my smallest frame. These ones are the Giselle Gentle Monsters, and then here is the pencil pouch. I think this looks pretty promising. But yeah, let's try to slide it in. Ooh, okay. And then it's not like wide enough, but I feel like it will work. This is what it looks like inside. But if you have a small frame just like so, this actually works. I don't know if I like it. I feel like it kind of squeezes the sunglasses, but I mean, it works. That's really cool. I did not know that. But yeah, if you have a small frame just like so, or like a skinny pair, they will fit in here. But personally, I don't know if I want to do that, just because I feel like it kind of squeezes the sunglasses, but I mean, it does work. I would rather use it for like pens and pencils or makeup and things like that. But yeah, this is my last purchase. Louis Vuitton did have a price increase, and fortunately I was able to buy it before the price increase, so I got this one for 485 USD. But yeah, now it currently retails for 500. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye!